being served, I would like to say buon tardi to all of you. Good afternoon. Thank you for being here. And I have a speech written, but I was looking into the news to remember, because at that time I was the minister in charge of economic affairs, and I had a task to go and travel almost half the world to go to an OCTA meeting in Tahiti. It was February 2019, and I must say why this is so important for me mention it, because as you may see, Aruba now is celebrating our carnival, and I'm the Minister of Culture at that time also, and I very much enjoy participating into carnival. But at that special time, I had to travel half the world to go to make sure that Aruba would get these funds for the SISSTEM faculty. So, as an Arubian who loves carnival, as the Minister of Culture who enjoys carnival, I had to miss this one big opportunity that year in 2019, and not going to carnival, traveling half the world, but making sure that the money is in Aruba. So today, I am very pleased to be standing here. So I had to tell you that anecdote for you to see how important this is for our country.
A facultad de SISSTEM vai vir uma realidade na Universidade di Aruba. A facultad aqui lobing de Monumento de Maria Convent na una que den aia nang 50 e serna de Dominicanesa tabata ajuda nos muchana. Agora que nang depois de hopi tempo, essa aqui lo wordo renovado em sua gloria, vacina e por conta nós também sua história. Mas danke na cada de persona nang danke na União Europeia, na também oficina de UNDP, que ajuda nós para ora e nang agora que nang nos lo portim e hoia aqui back em sua glória.